Kenworth W900 Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a moving mansion on wheels. Welcome to Honest Auto Wheels, where we dive deep into the world of powerful machines and luxury rides. And today we're bringing you the full scoop on one of the most iconic rigs ever transformed into a home. The legendary Kenworth W900, reimagined as a premium motorhome. At first glance, the W900 keeps its unmistakable long-nosed design, chrome detailing, and that massive front grille that screams raw American power. But the real magic begins once you step inside. This isn't your average truck sleeper cab. The interior has been completely transformed into a stunning, high-end living space. From soft-touch leather seating, real wood cabinets, LED ambient lighting, to a fully equipped kitchenette, and even a compact but luxurious bathroom, it has everything a traveler could dream of. Under the hood, the W900 still roars with its signature strength. Most models are powered by a Cummins X15 engine, offering around 565 horsepower and insane torque, perfect for hauling heavy loads or gliding smoothly on long highways with your entire home behind you. Paired with an 18-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, it delivers both brute force and buttery smooth gear transitions, giving drivers confidence and control in every terrain. What makes this motorhome special is not just the engine or design, but the custom craftsmanship. Many owners opt for personalized layouts, whether it's extra bunk space, office setups, or even full-blown entertainment zones with 4K TVs and surround sound. You can practically live off-grid with large water tanks, solar panels, and generator support. It's perfect for remote adventures. Comfort doesn't stop at luxury features. The air suspension, high-end climate control, and insulation keep you cozy, whether you're cruising through a scorching desert or a snowy mountain pass. Driving the W900 doesn't feel like handling a house. It feels like commanding a fortress on wheels. Of course, the Kenworth W900 motorhome isn't cheap. Custom builds like these can cost anywhere between $250,000 to over $500,000, depending on features and trim levels. But for those who crave style, power, freedom, and the open road, it's worth every single penny. In a world full of motorhomes, the Kenworth W900 stands alone as a symbol of strength and style. It's not just for truckers anymore. It's for anyone who dreams of turning the highway into home. Thanks for watching Honest Auto Wheels, where the road is never just a road, it's a journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know what rig you'd like to see next.